everyone, it's Mr. J. Hi, today is Thursday, April the 4th, 2024. You can probably see from this picture it's bad news, bad news. Let's see, Taiwan faced the most powerful earthquake in 25 years on Wednesday morning, leaving 4 people dead and many buildings damaged. All right, so a very big, bad, powerful earthquake. 25 years, the worst in 25. 4 people are dead, building damage. The quake, which struck just before the busy morning hours, was in the morning, right, was very strong. It was felt strongly in Hualien County. I'm sorry if you know the pronunciation, let me know. Where a 5-story building was notably damaged, and in Taroko National Park. Once again, if you know the pronunciation, let me know. Where 3 hikers lost their lives due to rock slides. Our AI, it's an AI pick, not an actual pick, of course. The earthquake caused significant disruption across Taiwan, including the capital, Taipei, where schools had to evacuate students to safety. Okay, public transport services, including trains and subways, were halted. They stopped them, and roadways along the east coast were blocked by landslides and debris. So definitely bad news. Despite the severity, the people of Taiwan, accustomed to earthquakes, quickly moved past the initial shock. So because they're used to earthquakes, I guess they did okay. Authorities had underestimated the quake's strength. They thought it was weaker at the beginning, expecting a milder tremor and therefore not issuing alerts. Oh, that's not good. The quake, with magnitudes reported between 7.2 and 0.4, also led to tsunami warnings across the region, affecting not just Taiwan but also Japan and the Philippines, though these warnings were later lifted. So they thought that there might be tsunamis, but there weren't, and so that was okay. All right, questions. What was significant about the earthquake in Taiwan? How many people died as a result? Where did a notable building damage occur? Right? Where? What action was taken in schools during the earthquake? And how did the earthquake affect public transport? Okay, those are your questions. All right, today, pitch. Our word is pitch. I wrote it in red this time. Less common meaning to throw or toss something, especially a ball, with force and accuracy. If you like baseball, you must know a pitcher, right? A pitcher. And here we have the word in Korean, which you should know, and you should also know the pronunciation because it's different from the spelling. So be careful. You can skip through the stress because it's one syllable. Sentences: he pitched the ball with such force that it flew over the fence. The pitcher pitched a perfect game, striking out all the batters. And can you pitch the tent before it gets dark, right? Pitch. Lots of different meanings of pitch. Okay? Pitch. All right, let's go to our weather now, which is, you can see on the camera in Tongyang, the weather is looking what? Not too bad. Do you want to look in Jungnim? Let's see. Gwangdo Bridge and then Changwon right here. I don't know, once again, our Hagwon is up in this area. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, up in that area. You can actually see it if you look closely. But so the rain seems to be over in that, right? So that's a good thing. But exactly by how much, I don't know. Sorry, let's see. Oh, sorry, I'm not quite used to using this app yet, so I might accidentally jump through a few different things here. That happens, I'm sorry. So I need to click out of here and go to our forecast, right? Our forecast. Here's a map of Korea too. It shows the weather. Maybe someday we'll talk about other cities, but for now, just Tongyang. Okay. So today, what's the weather like? Let's go downwards today. Here's today, right? And it has a high of 16 and a low of 10. And then tomorrow, a high of 18 and a low of 10. Today, it's cloudy weather, cloudy. And tomorrow, let's say partly sunny. And today, just cloudy. think that's a good way to talk about it. The rain stops, so that's good, and maybe the weekend's gonna look pretty good. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. But all right, nice weather. All right, so we talked about the weather, we talked about pitch, and we talked about the earthquake. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.